So based on my experience from the McDonald's kiosk and Jollibee kiosk, so the easiest to use is the Jollibee kiosk. So based on my experience, it is more simple, easy to understand, and it has a straightforward design. So I think I find the Jollibee kiosk interface is to be more user friendly and intuitive. So it makes the ordering process smoother and more efficient. So the layout and the navigation of the Jollibee kiosk are often praised for being a clear and easy way to understand that, which may contribute to a more positive user experience. But for me, based on my experience, McDonald's kiosks are more user friendly, and it is more convenient for me because um, it is efficient ordering process and user-friendly interface, which the layout and the design of the McDonald's kiosk are also praised of being intuitive and easy to navigate. So it allows the customers to place their orders quickly and accurately. So additionally, um, the McDonald's kiosk is usually offers a wide range of customization. If you want add-ons, they offer some um, new menu. They also offer some treats if you want to add it. And um, McDonald's kiosk is more wide range in payment methods. They have a card payment, cash payment, and e-payment, which is the electronic payment, such as PayMaya. So just scan the barcode in the kiosk. So it is more upgraded than Jollibee, and it is more convenient to use for me because um, adding to it the convenience for customers. So overall, the convenience of the McDonald's kiosk is often attributed to its streamlined ordering system and user-friendly features. So that's all.